Today I'm giving you guys a full review and tutorial on this hot comb that I have been using for a very long time. I use it on my wigs, and today I'm trying it out on my natural hair. So the info to this will be down below in the description and in the comment section. And if you like reviews like this, make sure you guys go and join my Facebook group at Cashapp Repeat, where I post daily deals and reviews and finds. All right, you guys, let's jump right into it. I'm going to be using this hot comb on my natural hair, like I said. I'm planning to flat iron my natural hair, and I've already posted that review if you guys want to see how the flat iron worked on all this hair. That flat iron is also on Amazon. I'm going to be using the hot comb on my roots before I flat iron because the flat iron gets very, very hot, and I would much rather hot comb my roots first and then go in and flat iron my hair so I can have my hair looking flat, but I don't have to get the flat iron too close to my scalp, okay? So here's what the hot comb looks like, you guys. I'm going to give you the details, and then I'm going to give you the pros and cons and my overall opinion. So first off, this flat iron does come with a dial. It shows you low, medium, and high, and that's how you adjust the temperature by turning the dial. And then it has an off and on switch, okay? This flat iron, the pros starting off is it has lasted me a really long time. I've had it for years, and I do use it quite frequently because I use it, like I said, on a lot of my wig installs in the past. So I've used it a lot, and it's still working and doing what I need to do. So that's automatically a pro. We want something that's going to last. The next pro is that while this does get hot enough for me to use, it doesn't get like super duper smoky. Like I talked to you guys about this in my recent hot tools review, that sometimes when you use a hot tool, it can create so much smoke in the room, and just like extremely smoky. And to me, I don't love that, but I understand, you know, using it in a high temperature, sometimes that happens. But this one, I feel like it didn't create a ton of smoke, so that's definitely a pro for me. Okay, that's a pro for me. And then another pro is, while this did get hot enough for me to use, I didn't feel like scared I'm gonna like burn myself or anything. And I was going basically focusing on the roots, so I do like that. I also feel like this is really user friendly. And yeah, those are all the pros, y'all. I do have one con, and it's kind of like a personal con or a personal preference. Like in order to hot comb my entire head of hair, I would have to have this on the highest of high settings that it gives. It did hot comb my roots really well, which I'm so happy I did this first because it made flat ironing my hair so much easier because I didn't have to get right up on my scalp or right up on my roots because it was already done. But in order to get my all my long natural hair flat with just this hot comb, I feel like I would have to go all the way to the highest setting. And I kind of wish that I didn't have to do that. I haven't hot combed my entire head with this before, but just based on my experience when doing my roots, I feel like that would probably be necessary. Now, that is a personal preference, a personal con, might not even really be a con, but I did want to let you guys know that. So I'm going to let you guys see the final results of my roots. Like I said, I'm so happy I did this first. It made it so much more easier. The hot comb was able to get close, but I didn't feel like I was about to burn myself or like scared that was too hot or too close. Like I said, y'all, the information is down below in the description and comment section. If y'all are interested, make sure you go join my Facebook group, Cashapp Repeat, and I will see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Love you guys so much. Bye, y'all.